Hey guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to activate your Kaspersky Total Security License. If you find this video helpful, please consider to like this video and subscribe to my channel. In saying that, let's just jump straight into the video. Okay, so the first step is head on over to kaspersky.com. Now I'm in Australia, so this is going to be .au, so this tutorial is going to be relevant, doesn't matter what region you are in. So once we're over here, we need to go ahead and click onto my account, top right hand corner of the page. Then from here, under personal, go ahead and click on my Kaspersky. Now you might need to log in or sign up to your account. So a little pop-up might appear like this where sign in. So go ahead and sign in with your email address, password, or sign in with your Google account. I'm going to sign in with my Google account. Okay, so once you've signed into your account, you're going to be taken to this page here. Now, if you're not on this tab here, so go ahead and click on subscriptions. If you have an activation code, go ahead and save the code in your account to easily download apps and link devices to your subscription. Now, under that, I want to go ahead and paste or type your 20-character activation code exactly with format of 4 groups, letters, and numbers. And then from here, simply go ahead and click onto add. And then your subscription period may start immediately after you add an activation code. Now, when activation completes, you'll see the license details, expiration date, and devices left as well.